All right, so there's several different ways to throw a dog off of your scent. One of those is scent massing. Basically, you're going to start here and run in a circle like this in a spiral until you finally get bigger. You want about a 50-foot diameter. And what you're doing is you're just putting your smell everywhere. Now imagine that you're a dog and you're walking along and you're smelling, but what you're seeing is, imagine your scent like a red fog that just kind of hovers off, just off the ground, and that dog's following that. Understand, guys, a little side note, as the wind blows, it actually pushes that scent off your direct path that you took. So, if, like right now, I had the wind blowing to the right side of my face, right? So my scent, if a dog was tracking me, would actually be right over here. Nice gentle breeze. I'm looking about 5 miles an hour, gentle sway in the trees, so up to about a 7 gust. My actual smell is going to be about 10 to 15 feet, almost not 10, 15 yards to my left over here, right? Okay, but that dog's following it. He's seeing that, just imagine, red fog, and all of a sudden he comes to an area where you've scent masked, and all he sees is red fog everywhere, and he's like, well, hey, I'm done. He's here somewhere, guys. Yeah, see, done. Meanwhile, the handler's going, what the hell's the problem? Because you just put your smell everywhere, and the dog don't know which way you went, because you circle like this and finally shot out somewhere. Now, there is a way around that, but most dog handlers don't know that. Only trackers do, and it's very rare for two of them to be working together, by the way. Happens only at professional levels, but very rare even there. Let me give you one other thing that you might want to think about. It'll throw off an actual tracker. Contrary to popular belief, side note, walking backwards in your steps, not a smart idea. Why? Because I can tell you walk backwards. I can see where you're pushing off, and that tells me which way you went. So the only thing I'm going to do is look at it and go, that dumbass walked backwards thinking I think he went that way, and he went that way. What an idiot. And I'm going to go right for you. All right, but if you make your sign is anything like a footprint, you make it just disappear. Well, now I don't have crap, right? Well, how do you do that? Well, you just take a twig with some leaves or some pine needles, and just kind of brush over a little bit. Let me show you what I mean. All right, guys, let me show you what I mean right here. So you got a very nice heel of my boot print right here, and I'm just going to take this nice little pine needles right here, and I'm just going to do like this. That's it. That's all there is to it. Look at that. Looks just like the darn ground now, don't it? So if I'm tracking and I come across that, I'm not going to see anything now, am I? Looking at it and I'm going, I really don't know if anything passed through here or not. I just lost them. So it's literally just that simple, and that's called sweeping the dirt. And literally, you saw just taking those pine needles, it's stupid simple, really easy, right? So if I run that spiral and I do that scent masking, and I get over there and I turn around, take my pine needles or something, and I just kind of gently brush the ground, now my sign is gone. What do you got? Nothing. I just literally disappeared in thin air. And that is the art of evasion.